The LitezAll 250 lumen tactical grade Penlight is small but powerful. Let's take a closer look. The flashlight is 5 1/4 inches long by 3/4 inch in diameter and weighs 2.4 ounces. It feels very sturdy thanks to its aerospace grade aluminum construction. Repeatedly pressing the rubber-coated power button selects high or low brightness plus off. High brightness is up to 250 lumens with a 1.5 hour runtime and a 45-foot light throw. Low brightness is 75 lumens with a 3-hour runtime and 42-foot light throw. 2 AAA batteries are included. Changing them is pretty straightforward. Unscrew the battery compartment cap and slide out the expired batteries. Replace them with 2 alkaline batteries for the best performance, positive end first, and replace the cap. A sturdy metal pocket clip and push-pull focus beam round out the features of this great little light. It's sized perfectly to fit in most shirt pockets and is a fantastic inspection flashlight.